Have you ever seen an image with a beautiful color palette and wished you could extract those colors easily? Maybe you're working on a design project and you want to create a consistent color theme without guessing shades. Well, Photoshop has a quick trick to generate color swatches from any image, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a custom color palette effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. Once your image is open, go to the top menu and select Filter. From the drop-down, choose Pixelate and then click on Mosaic. Here, you'll find an option to adjust the cell size. By increasing the cell size, Photoshop breaks the image into large square blocks, each representing a dominant color from that area. Now, here's the trick. Instead of manually picking colors, this method simplifies the image into clear, distinct color squares, making it easier to identify and extract key shades. Once you have a cell size that provides a variety of useful colors, you can use the eyedropper tool to pick and save them as swatches. And that's it. By using the Mosaic filter, you can quickly generate color swatches from any image. This is a fantastic way to create a structured and cohesive color palette for your projects. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.